Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. This is your boy Rome. Welcome back to the fourth official. Ah, ah, um, yeah. I want to say thank you guys for watching. Keep subscribing. Make sure you drop a like on the video if you're brand new. And as soon as you hop in, make sure you hit the subscribe button, man. It's free, completely free. And we're heading to 1,000 subscribers. Looking forward to seeing you, watching us grow in the channel. Watching us grow in the channel, people. Oh my God, I can't even talk. Where do we begin? Where do we begin? First, I'll have to say, listen, I had a great night last night. It's my birthday weekend. Our birthday was earlier this weekend. We had a wonderful time. My boy had his birthday is coming up, so we all went out, got drunk, crazy fun. It was a fun time. So I didn't plan on streaming the game for this morning, but I did plan on watching the game this morning. Manchester United versus Manchester City. And it wasn't until my wife nudged me this morning telling me that she's leaving. I said, what? And then we checked my phone and Manchester United is nil all half time. I said, what? Me miss the first half. I'm like, shit. It's all right, cool. I got up, went downstairs, got my computer, came back to bed. My son sat that laid down next to me, was sleeping, and I started watching the game. And I'm not going to lie, I didn't know anything about the first half. Anything at all. All I know that City was controlling the game when I started watching it, and it kept on throughout. And then they brought on Jack Grealish, and they scored. And I was like, damn, it's been like this since the first half. What's going on? But then the magic happened. The Casemiro pass to Rashford, who was offside, but Bruno intercepted, boom, score. I'm like, what? In that 5 minute period where Bruno and Rashford score, it was absolutely phenomenal, fam. I'm not going to lie. This has been the best game I have watched, or best half I've watched in a long time. It's not because Manchester United is playing great football. It's because of the result. It's because of the result and what that does for Manchester United in the title race. I know that we're not favorites to win it, but we are damn well going to put a good foot in it. And to imagine the effect that Eric Ten Hag has on this team, on this club, on this fan base is immense, fam. It's absolutely immense. To see that we lost 6-3 last year to Manchester City. And in the same breath, New Year, what did we do? What did we do? We came back and we beat these boys 2-1. Defeated. They had a 70% possession of the football. And they shot 5 shots, one on target. One shot on target, and that was the goal. We had 8 shots. 5 on target. 2 of them score. That's definitively how Manchester United has been playing against Manchester City this entire time, throughout the entire time of this Manchester City immense growth in terms of the team that they built since 2010, 2008. And I am telling you, fam, I am telling you right now. I told you guys yesterday in the short that I made on YouTube, that listen, if Manchester United win today and if Arsenal lose tomorrow, we are going to see a hell of a title race. And it started today. Manchester United won 2-1, and it was a hell of a game. Wonderful performance by Manchester United, and I am loving it every second of the day. I am loving it, fam. I am fucking loving it. Whew. God, I'm loving it. Fred, the half that I saw from Fred, immense. Casemiro was impeccable. Casemiro was fucking impeccable, fam. Bruno on the right side, fucking impeccable. Absolutely fin. The entire team is all 10 out of 10 performance for me. The entire team. I didn't see much about David De Gea because again, City wasn't pressuring David De Gea. They were pressuring the ball, but in the final third they weren't doing anything because of the defense. Shaw, centre back. What? Who said anything about Martinez? Cha! Bumbleclad! Fam, fam, Aaron Wan-Bissaka. What? What? You got to be kidding me, fam. You have got to be kidding me. This team was on fire, on farm all day. Garnacho with the assist came on effectively pushing and running on players. What? Malasia. What? Fam, listen, I'm not going to lie to you people. This team that Manchester United is building moving forward is going to be immensely good. It's going to be very good. And with the coach behind you, with the players that we have, with coach behind you, you saw what you saw what Arteta is doing at Arsenal over a period of 3 to 4 years. This is what Ten Hag has been done for 5, 6 years, 6 months. Okay, imagine what he does next year and the year after. Fam, fam, we've been looking for Ten Hag since Sir Alex Ferguson. I think we found him. I think we found him. We're still in 4 competitions, fighting for 4 competitions, and we solidified that today by beating Manchester City. Come this weekend, we're going to. Let's not worry about this weekend. Let's worry about Wednesday when we play against Crystal Palace. Let's worry about Wednesday. Manchester City, what are you doing, fam? I thought you guys were going to run us over. City fans, what are you doing? You can complain about Rashford being offside and him impede the goalkeeper and whatnot. What are you doing, fam? You guys are supposed to give us like 10 love today. What's going on? I mean, you lost at Southampton last game and, you thought it was a fluke, You're going to come and bring your best game today because you're playing against Manchester United. You're playing in the league this time. It's just a cup where you win already. So what happened? What happened? What happened? You lost. And now you're staring down the barrel of Manchester United in your back, breathing on your neck. Breathing on your neck. Coming for you, fam. Coming for you. Hey, Liverpool. What's up, bro? What is up, bro? What is up? You guys lost 3-0? Is that what it is? 3-0? Is that what it is? 3-0? What's going on? I thought, Manchester United was dead when they lost 2-1 to Brighton. What happened? What happened? 3-0? Tough, innit? Tough, innit? Very tough, man. Very tough, is it? That's what happened, man. Let me show you guys something real quick. This is the standings for the Premier League standings so far. After 18 games, Man City, Arsenal have a game in hand, which they'll play tomorrow. But Arsenal, 44 points. Man City, 38 points. Manchester United with 38 points. Man City, 39. Newcastle, 35. Listen what I'm telling you, people. We are coming for that title. We're coming for the lead and we're not going to let go. We're not going to let go, fam. We are not going to let go. We are going to run for that title. I don't care what happens at the end of the season, but let's see. We will see. We will see, fam. We will see. We will see. Where's Liverpool? 8th, 28 points. What? 10 points behind Manchester United. What? Where's Chelsea? 25. 25. 25. What's that? What? 13 points behind Manchester United. What? What are you saying, people? What are you saying, people? What exactly are you saying, people? Listen, just be ready. You just be ready, people, because Manchester United is going in for people up top. We're going in for people up top. We're going in for people up top. I'm looking forward to the game tomorrow with Tottenham and Arsenal. I will be streaming this game tomorrow because I can't wait. I want to see goal after goal from Harry Kane and from Son. I want to sing with 3 love, 4 love. Discipline the post to them. Discipline the post to them. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been the fourth official. Whew, it's been a great day so far. Love every second of it. Man, thank you guys again. Make sure to drop a like on the video. Subscribe for brand new. Bless yourself, bless up others. Manaz.